Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Venmo not working on your iPhone. So there are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first being your internet connection. So what you want to do is make sure you have a stable internet connection, and you can also try switching between a Wi-Fi and your cellular data. When you go ahead and try that, and if it still doesn't work, then you might need to check Venmo server status. Simply visit Dan Detector and this link right over here, and then you can simply go ahead and see if Venmo is facing any problems. If that is not the case, you can simply go ahead and try restarting the Venmo application as well. And if that is not the case, again, you can try updating the Venmo app from your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you are in. If none of these fixes it yet, then try restarting your iPhone. And again, if that doesn't fix it, you want to go into your settings and then look for your date and time settings, and then simply go ahead and set it to automatically. That way, it is not interfering with your application. You could also try offloading your application by simply heading into apps or going into general, iPhone storage, Venmo, and then offloading your app. You can also check if you have any iOS updates pending. And if none of it works, then you might have no other options but to contact your Venmo support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.